Adhyatma Vidya or subject of spirituality generates or originates from deho or body, the container of mind being psychological, and in the further in core or central entity is Atman or pure consciousness or spirit. So it is spirituality that encourages the intellect or buddhi to search for Atman, the spirit, the pure consciousness. While proceeding in this journey, one may take a stopover in physical or body consciousness, then also in mind consciousness or psychology, but if he stops there, he is trapped in lesser states of body and mind. But his journey really wants to know who am I and what is my real personality, the Brahma, Atman, in such nomenclature, though it is ultimately nameless, pure spiritual consciousness having the taste or feel of as a continuum of unlimited, free in knowledge absolute, existence absolute, bliss absolute, and beyond any linguistics, an entity or state that is one with all points, in fact no points, but a field of enlightenment, ever free, ever existing, ever unseparated stability in energy, in courage, in realized and fulfilled, in bliss, and bliss alone, having no possibility of any further transformation. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.